Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on a product that I bought. This is the Renpure plant-based beauty tea tree lemon sage 5-in-1 treatment mist. I've seen this for a while and I was like, I want to try it, but it is a bit expensive. Something a bit disappointing about this as well is it's not Curly Girl approved. So that was a bit of a disappointment for me. But let's get into my thoughts on the product. This is a plant-based, natural ingredients 5-in-1 treatment mist. Now, it surprised me that it's not Curly Girl friendly because this contains no gluten, no sulphates, no parabens, no phthalates, no formaldehyde, and I'm going to put all of that in the description as well. But this is a leave-in treatment, which I thought to be very nice. I thought, okay, I can use this every day, but I found myself not reaching for it. So I'm just going to spray it. It does spray on very nicely. I think I can use it to refresh my hair a bit. It smells nice. It has a little bit of a minty eucalyptus kind of smell to it. And it's leave-in treatment, which is also really nice. At the back it says it's a lightweight and versatile 5-in-1. It detangles, it moisturizes, it protects, it strengthens, it invigorates the scalp, it leaves your hair looking healthier, less frizz, less flyaways. Promises amazing stuff, but I found it just to be okay. This product for me is just a luxury buy. It didn't really detangle my hair. It just will refresh my hair. That's what I will actually use it for. As a spray, it does okay. But as I was saying, it's a bit of a luxury purpose. It says that it's a treatment, but for me, it will just be something I might empty this in a spray bottle and kind of just finish it off in that particular way. Not a must-have for me personally. It does smell nice. And that's about all that I can say for this particular one. They do have different ones on the shelf as well, I think in discount, but I'm not going to buy them again, as I said. Just something I've been seeing and wanting to try, so I'm sharing my thoughts on it. And I hope you found this video helpful, guys. As always, I will see you again. Bye.